Hi everybody, and you can probably hear some animal calls in the background. Today we're going to be running the LSX train, which is the livestock train that comes from the West Coast, and it will make a stop at the Morris Santa Fe stock feedlot. So that's what we're going to do today. So hope you enjoy it. We'll see you at the end. Okay, here is the LSX or Livestock Express. It actually starts in Clovis, New Mexico, and will run to Chicago. And it's led by an ABBA. These two cars, which are double level, with the designated by the yellow door, has got the hogs in it. That's a BLI hog car. Then these are cattle. Here is three cattle BLI cars. They'll start up as soon as I move it. Some more cattle cars. Then we have sheep back here. And then these are two double stack sheep cars. And then a drover caboose. So what we will do, this is now in staging yard B. We will now take it around the loop and it'll go through staging yard A, and then you'll see it come over there, and it'll come over on track 1 in Ready Tracks East, and then continue up the West Helix. So we'll get that going. There it comes now through staging yard A. We'll catch up to it over on the other side in Ready Tracks East. Ready Tracks West. Okay, here's the train going through Ready Tracks West and entering the West Helix, so it can go up to the main level. We'll catch it up at the top. Here's the train as it goes by on one of the levels of the Helix. We'll catch it up top. Train is now coming into Paradigm. It's going to slow down a bit. It has to now transfer over to the other main. The train is now parked at the stock feedlot where the animals will be offloaded into the pens, or maybe they already have. And once that's done, then the cars will be cleaned, new bedding will be put in, the animals will be reloaded, and then the train will continue on to Chicago. In the meantime, you'll notice the road engines have been detached, and they're sitting over here on track 14, ready to go into the engine facility for servicing. So if I need to move the cars, I have these two switchers ready to go. So I am back. Hope you enjoyed the Live Stock Express, and next time we'll probably be running some passenger trains because I'm staying away from scenery right now. But anyway, thank you for viewing, and if you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye.